All right, so I'm doing these how-to videos, and I get an email from one of my Joker friends, and he says, "Hey, John, why don't you teach me how to wash my balls?" And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna do a video because I think it's really important to have clean balls. And I'm gonna show you how to clean your balls. So, I bought this little thing. This is, you see these at the golf course, and they have them usually on every hole. You clean your clubs in this one, and you clean your balls in this one. So let's see if we can learn how to clean our balls together. So first thing you need, I have 2 quarts of water and some Mr. Clean concentrate. Okay, so you're gonna fill this maybe about 3/4 of the way. You don't want to go to the top. So this would be where your clubs would go. And there's 2 separate compartments here. And then this is where you'd put your balls to clean them. And I was told that this actually works really, really well. Put a little more in here. Okay, and you only need a little bit of Mr. Clean. You don't need a lot. And I'm gonna probably put maybe a 1/2 ounce in each one. Take a look at my balls. Look how dirty my balls are. I got orange balls, white balls. This is a dirty ball right here. And so all you do, you just kind of lift this right up and you take your ball and you just wash your balls like this. Oh my God. You gotta admit, that's a pretty clean ball right there. I'm so excited for this thing. I gotta be honest, this is the first time I've ever used it. And it smells so fresh. It looks like a brand new ball. So let's wash another. And I found this in the woods when I whacked my ball in the woods, and then I found this one. And it's been sitting out there a long time. And this dirt is like kind of embedded on there. Let's see how it works. Okay, here we go. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's like a brand new ball. Wait, I got a little dirt on the side. You kind of want it to rotate a little. Wow. Look at that. It is a brand new ball. Okay, this one. This is stained with grass. There's no way this thing is gonna get this clean. Look at that. Unbelievable. It's like a brand new ball. I'm blown away. It's a beautiful ball. Balls look amazing. Some of them look brand new. There is a way to mount this. You can mount this if you have a golf cart. You can mount it on your golf cart. But I'm going to mount it on a post in my yard somewhere. So when I come home from golfing, I can clean my clubs and my balls. But I love this thing. This thing is awesome. I've had it in my basement for years and years, and I never used it. Okay, we know it can clean balls really well. Let's see how it does on clubs. Okay, this is my 4-iron. You can see how dirty this thing is. And I wipe it down every time after I take a shot too. And let's see if we can get the grime off. It's like I'm making butter. There she goes. Oh yeah. Oh my God, look at that. It literally looks like a brand new club. And you know what? The other thing too, it's very important that these grooves are nice and clean, because that's how you get good contact with the ball and great backspin, which I can't really do, but that's That's what I think these grooves are for.
These clubs were so dirty, and they're looking pretty good. And I barely like scrubbed them.
Oh my God, I am so excited. This is an absolutely fabulous little contraption. So that's how you wash your balls in your club. The more you know.
We'll be right back.